last manually operated cable car system. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel guys, and happy Thanksgiving to all of you. We have 4 days off, तो हमने सोचा कुछ तो करते हैं. So today we are in San Francisco, and right now we are at Palace of Fine Arts. It's an amazing architecture, you can see behind me. बहुत ही सुंदर है. So this architecture, this monument was actually built in 1915, and then later on it was renovated in 1964 till 1974. So for 10 years. So this is a public monument, and today, because it's federal holiday, it's a free entry today. Thanksgiving ka holiday hai isliye na Shivi. So because of Thanksgiving holiday, parking was free of cost, but otherwise I think you have to pay for parking always. Other plans today to visit some other places in San Francisco, and this is the first place we came to. So after this we are going for the cable car ride. There are like 2 or 3 famous lines, so we might pick one of them. Powell and Hyde. Seen many photo shoots happening already. People mostly come for the photo shoots, wedding photo shoots, maternity photo shoots. There is one wedding photography also happening just in front of us right now. So this seems like a nice spot to take pictures. We also took some. Now we are moving ahead. Little walk, and then we'll come back to that side. But it's a very nice place. Right now we are just taking a walk around this lagoon. Beautiful lagoon. The first time, in real. A few other things also to do in this museum. There are exhibitions, and they have their own theater also. You can actually rent it out for your weddings or any kind of other events. It's the only structure from the exposition that still survives on this site. और कोई नहीं है. Oh, how high it is. कितने cute लग रहे हैं ना ये लोग. So वो सामने exhibition theater है. There is a long line. People come for jogging also who live nearby. Is it Indian Embassy or something? Finally we found a parking. It was crazy to find a parking. San Francisco में parking मिलना is too difficult. हम लोगों को एक बहुत मुश्किल से parking मिली है, and it's very confusing here. Now we are going for the cable car ride. So guys, this cable car has a long history. It was actually started in 1873, and there used to be 23 total lines, out of which only 3 remain. Believe it or not, it's the world's last manually operated cable car system. There is nothing else like this in the whole world. सिर्फ यही है जो manually चलती है. So they turn it around. Actually, there is a manual process. You can see that's wooden surface. They turn it around, and then that's how it works. वहाँ पे they are hopping out actually. So guys, we are done with our cable car ride. We took that Powell and Hyde line, and they dropped us on this Fisherman Wharf, just behind me. Hira Delhi Square. It's the famous chocolate brand. It got originated from San Francisco. No. It's from San Francisco. And we can see Alcatraz Island also.
Museum भी है.
Ship के पीछे is that Alcatraz Island. It was overall 15 minutes ride. Now we are just quickly going to eat something, and then let's see if we just head back home. It actually functions till 5 o'clock. है ना शिवी? 5 बजे तक ही चलती है cable car, and right now it's 3:15 or something. So we have less time. We'll eat and finish up, and then we'll hop on again. So we are going back to hop on, and this is the line. तो इतना लंबा line है ये return का. But I think there are multiple cable cars, so keep coming in every 5 minutes, 15 minutes. It won't take long. So Shivi is waiting there in the line, but I sat down because I was tired. Those 3 lines are Powell Mason, Powell Hyde, and one is California Street. So the one which we took, this was Powell and Hyde, and it actually ends on Fisherman Wharf. Overall, it was like 15 minutes ride, and you get to visit Fisherman Wharf also if you complete the ride. And also you can just hop out anytime in between, but once you hop in again, you have to pay again for the ride. But if you just do the whole trip, then you don't need to pay again. There's like $8 entry ticket for the adults, but today they didn't charge anything because it was a federal holiday due to Thanksgiving. So that was fun. We had actually bought a Clipper card so that we can pay like 8 plus 8, $16. So it's mostly used by the local commuters. But other than that, they say that almost 7 million tourists use this cable car every year. guys, so we are done for today. My most favorite part was the cable car ride, and we are just going back now towards the parking, and we'll just leave in few minutes. Right now we are just roaming in the downtown area. $20.